as we conclude this Yakap and Gamot Fun Run, our heartfelt gratitude to everyone na ni-join. What is special, what makes today special isn't just the start and finish line, but the moment that all our participants went to their Yakap clinic na ila choice, because our participation requires, your participation requires the registration nijo sa Ijo Yakap Clinic of Choice, and also mag-undergo ka mo ng first patient encounter. So thank you so much because you made steps towards healthy seeking behavior. Also, anamod ako na pagpasalamat sa City Government of Surigao sa ila gadjud ako na suporta sa ato Yakap and Gamot Fun Run. Also to our marshals, PNP, City Traffic, GSO, and everyone na nisuporta sa ato activity today. Our also gratitude sa, of course, sa Pro PhilHealth Regional Office Caraga team and ato event organizer. As you all know, waya kami nagkuha ng third-party organizer. Ang ato Pro Caraga events team, grabe nagadjud nila ka-experience on conducting fun run. So this is an organic na activity. And also to my PhilHealth Leo Surigao team, thank you for taking on this challenge. And I think we did well. Congratulations everyone. And as we close this program, dapat ato ipadadyon ang ato awareness on Yakap and its packages, ang ato gamot na packages and ang ato mga screening tests. So everyone, salamat Karajaw until the next run. So this concludes our Yakap and Gamot Fun Run Leg 2. Thank you everyone!